I'll guide you through the complete process to verify your Zelle account so your payments instantly land in your bank and stop getting stuck. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Let's start with verification through your bank app. Log into your bank's mobile app or online banking portal. Navigate to the Send Money, Pay and Transfer, or Zelle section. Tap Enroll or Get Started. Read and accept any authorization screens to agree to the service terms. Select the checking or savings account you wish to associate your money source with, your Zelle ID. Enter your U.S. mobile number or email address. This will become your official Zelle ID. Alternatively, you may be asked to use your U.S. ATM card or voice banking PIN to confirm your identity with a known banking credential. Check your text messages or email for the one-time passcode and enter the 6-digit code to verify. Go to Zelle settings and manage contacts to add redundancy. Add a secondary email or phone number to prevent payment issues if you change your primary number. If you receive the payment notification without being enrolled, click the link in the text or email. You must enroll using that exact ID to claim the money. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more digital payment video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.